marching one by one. Hooray, hooray, through puddles splash under the sun. Hooray, hooray, their tiny boots go tap, tap, tap. They climb the hill, then take a nap, and they all go marching down to the ground to escape the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching two by two. Hooray, hooray, they've got a leaf canoe, it's true. Hooray, hooray, they float along the river wide. With happy squeaks they glide, 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 and they all go paddling round and around in their leafy boats. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Marching ants, so small, so spry, they dream of touching the big blue sky. With a crumb in hand, they take a stand. Oh, the ants go marching bold and grand. The ants go marching three by three. Hooray, hooray, they find a berry on a tree. Hooray, hooray, they roll it down with all their might. A teamwork scene, it's quite a sight. And they all go rolling home to their dome with a feast to share. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Step by step, they never stop, building bridges over drops. Ants with helmets made of leaves, working hard as tiny thieves. Marching ants, so small, so spry, they dream of touching the big blue sky. With a crumb in hand, they take a stand. Oh, the ants go marching bold and grand.